All right, good morning. The 12th of November, 2025. I'm at GJ Car Care in Tagbilaran, and gonna let the Vios have a sleepover. They just had the diagnostic tool on it, and what's going on with it? The oxygen sensor, that's right. But their hoist is tied up for the time being. And they got to put her on the hoist, I think. Maybe let it cool off a hair. So more than likely tomorrow. 3,500 for the oxygen sensor. That's 80 bucks or so. Looks like a new restaurant over here. Now open. Roasted chicken. Look at that, eh? The black one. All the chickens. Lots of them. And they're right beside a Pang's Original. So you got two competitors side by side. Both selling the exact same thing. Surprise, surprise. Watch your back, buddy. Oh yeah. Never like walking with my back to the traffic. Just never know. So I'm gonna go for a little walk. I don't get down this part of town too often. Usually not walking if I am anyways. Looks like we got an electric motor rebuilder here. And it's almost lunch. It's like 10 minutes to lunch. We got the big Coca-Cola here. Tagbilaran. Euro-Pacific. Boits, something like that. Whoa. Looks like a big employer. Does. A couple of big cans there. So yeah, hopefully that'll tune up the car. Check engine light come on. I don't know, about a year ago. And there was a slight difference in performance. But now it's just, it's like it's running on 2.5, 3 cylinders sometimes. So, looks like the Coca-Cola bottle over there feeding the Christmas star. And they got their little, whatever you call it over there, chapel maybe. But I'm gonna walk around, make a movie. Hope you're all doing good. I ain't doing too bad. Gonna have to print some more money though, some more pesos. Yeah, let it dry out so I can pay the bills. So they gotta get the car on the hoist, and the hoist is tied up. Zoom, zoom, zoom. This is one of the main roads in Tagbilaran here. Take you right downtown. But this way is heading. I'm heading into town here now. Get out of that car's way. Don't want them to have to push me out of it. Got a nice breeze, got overcast. I'm content. Usually lots of carbon in the air, but today's okay. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Do I go on the outside of that or the inside? I think I'll go on the inside. If you're ever in a street fight and you're in this neck of the woods, you can easily choose a weapon. You just never know if you're going to fall through the fucking steel grate. Anything's possible here, man. It really is. Fucking snake will jump out and bite you in the ankle. Hey, everyone's polite, happy. What is it last time? I think it was 150 pesos to get home from here. But nice big tree here. Give you some shade. Oh yeah, shade's nice. 1 kilometer to Jollibee, that sign says, but I think that's, I'll pass another Jollibee before, hello! It's a big family restaurant there. Jera Garda's family restaurant. Looks like it'd be good food. And there's lots of vehicles parked out front, so that's got to tell you something. Either the owner's rich and he's got lots of vehicles, or they got some good grub in there. Whew, breathe, lass, breathe. Holy light. Yeah, I happened to notice a tread on the car. Gonna have to put some front boots on it here and start hydroplaning around. We're hiring. Surprised it's not for fucking Canada. But you do see the jobs for Canada posted here. Yeah, you're fucked either way. Hopefully everyone's paying attention. Not too drunk yet. You never know when your ankle's gonna give out on you and spit you out sideways in front of one of these things. Got some unfortunate folks. At least it ain't freezing cold here. Another big fucking giant tree. Check out the root system there, the trunk system. Fucking awesome. Oh yeah. That's wild. Whoa, 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 wild. Unbelievable. Very cool. Very, very cool. Lots of trippers and kickers here, man. Am I gonna make it? This guy gonna run me over? Yeah. Oh, wow. I don't know if you caught a glimpse of that person there. How lucky I am. Hey! I'm going the wrong way. Oh no, we got tunes. I might just have to. All right, back rolling again. We're filming. Jollibee. One of the kindest bees you'll ever meet. The honkers. Got a little air compressor here on the corner. Little 165 or something. Got an open hole there. An Airman 1855. Fuck yeah, I don't want to go down there. Shell station. Jeepney horn happy. All right. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The streets of Tagbilaran. This is where you can get some really affordable lunches. Carinderias. Hello.
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 Good lunch.
Enjoy. Yeah, fella filling up there. Probably high noon right now, as a matter of fact. Motor scooter shop. Hello. See, that guy had a mask slung around his face, but I think he just whips it on when he goes through the dusty parts or the carbon particle parts. when you're following a jeepney or something. Yeah, a little motorcycle repair shop. Look at that. I thought it was a V-twin. Yeah, it might be. Pistons, connecting rods, all the good things. Piston broke. And a nice little paint job on this puppy. God bless our trip. Yeah, sometimes you need a blessing. Oh, I didn't know they had engine parts right there, but they do. Well, another parts store. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Different angle of the dangle. We got some lumber, some bamboo. The governor's mansion. The governor's mansion is what that is. Okay. Oh. Little fire hydrant. Wow. Yeah, I doubt it even works. They turned the King Barbecue shop over there into a motorcycle repair shop. Yeah, the university kids, students, I think it's up the road here. Beep, 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 beep. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Motor Trader. Fried chicken. If you haven't had enough oil for the day. Yeah, it's probably like a 5-minute job. Change that. Hello. To change that oxygen sensor. But they need the hoist. And it's better if she's cooled off for them. I don't know what sort of tight spot it's in. I should jump in one of these things here, but I'm gonna keep marching through. I need the exercise. Okay, I'm gonna go around, make it easier for both of us. Bohol Bike Supply. I've never been over there. I should. I've bought 3 pedal bikes over here, but I think I'm dealing with a good store. But it's always nice to check other stores. Wow, busy, busy, busy. All the kids are getting out of school. Riders Pit Stop here. I think it's the place to get your motorcycle tires. Hey. Happy kids. Yeah, Kate just went back today. Oh, watch out, sorry. Extended holiday. Yeah, you come over here to the Auto Tech. They got signage up over there. I think it's a new, it's not new, but it's a new branch. And it says right on it, diagnostic. Engine diagnostic. But they didn't even have a tool. The computer scanner. Another one of them little coffee shops sprouting up. Hey. White guy. Same bike as mine. I think. Maybe not. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. This is where I kind of turn to go up my street, I think. Or not my street, my neighborhood. If I recall. But I gotta dodge all the green things. Don't want to get tagged. Red and green. Go ahead, man. But I think that's where I want to go. All right, hello. So, yeah, not my intentions to be here at lunchtime, but I'm going to say that's enough for now. Put the camera away. Okay, peace. I'll keep you posted. Bye for now. Thanks.